What's up, Black Box Gamer here? I'm at school at Makerspace, and I'm doing a 3D print thingamajig. It has 5 hours left, 42 minutes left. Yeah, I'm gonna pick it up tomorrow. Hold on, but I kind of love 3D printing here. This is the 3D print that I printed last week. It's very simple. It's just yeah. So this is my 3D print. It's doing its 3D print stuff. Dragon. Yes, Twilight Dragons and Dragon Con. Here's time left. I'm not sure if you saw that. Alright, I'm gonna go add sound effects to this video. Goodbye!